little faggot ass little bitch. See Elton? Here's the thing about Elton. He's a fucking 5'3" fucking, what was DJ saying? The Dr. Dre looking motherfucker. Only half his size. He wears little tight ass jeans with his fucked up Vans. Always carries his little camera around and shit. Like, oh look at me, I'm Elton. I like to take pictures and use it for my vlog. Fuck. I've been saying I'm about to come out with some clothes, but they never come out. That's all he does is talk about his clothes. Blah blah, look at me, I'm Elton. You know, I go do stuff all day, you know, no one really knows what I do. I was like fucking sit around, what we actually does, you actually sit around your house, you fucking jack off all fucking day. You fucking jizz in your face and shit like that. Oh fuck, I can't do this, man. I'm making up shit. Can't do it. I love you too much. But everybody really does hate Elton. Because he's a bitch. Stop. I'm about to go hell slow. You won't get to your dentist appointment. Yeah, that's no